Have you ever seen a baby pigeon? Think about it for a moment. We see pigeons everywhere. In parks, on streets, and in city squares. But baby pigeons are almost never seen, so how is that possible? Why do the babies of one of the most common birds in the world almost never appear in public? Some people think this is just a strange coincidence. On the internet, there are even funny theories about it. Some people say baby pigeons do not exist, but the truth is much simpler and more interesting. Baby pigeons do exist. They even have a special name. They're called squabs. There's also a very clear reason why we almost never see them. Pigeons usually build their nests in places that are difficult for people to see. They prefer rooftops, bridges, building ledges, and quiet high places. Because of this, baby pigeons grow up in areas that humans rarely notice. Most of the time they are actually growing just above our heads, but we simply do not realize it. There is another interesting detail. After baby pigeons hatch, they stay inside the nest for quite a long time. Usually for about 4 to 5 weeks. During this time, the parents constantly feed them and protect them. Because of this, people almost never see baby pigeons outside the nest. When baby pigeons finally leave the nest, something interesting happens. They already look very similar to adult pigeons. So when you see them outside, you probably think it is just another pigeon. But in reality, that bird might be a young pigeon exploring the world for the first time. So the next time you see pigeons in a park or on a city street, remember this small mystery. Baby pigeons were there the whole time. They were simply growing up in places that humans rarely notice.